Lord Randall Analysis. This ballad, entitled Lord Randall, started when the child named Randall, who just returns home, and his beloved mother had a conversation asking how he's been. He tells her he's been hunting but now needs to tell all lies down. His mother asks for more detailed story about the young man, provided few information indicating he feels sick and needs to lie down. It is not because of hunting why he needs some rest. It is because Randall's lover poisoned him that led their love story to the end with sadness. Reflection. Lord Randall, a traditional Scottish ballad, tells a tale of betrayal, loss, and sorrow. This story are about Randall and his mother. As the story unfolds, the story reveals the tragic fate of Lord Randall, who has been poisoned by his lover. The ballad conveys a deep sense of emotional weight through its gradual revelation.